Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating a print-ready canvas. Set 300 dpi and the color mode your printer requires. Once done, import your garment flat or brand template as a locked background so proportions stay consistent. Make a vector layer for clean outlines and separate raster layers for texture or hand-drawn marks. This lets you scale lines without losing sharpness. Also create named groups, artwork seams, labels, so you can toggle elements for mockups and exports quickly as you progress. Now focus on building the design elements. You'll use the material or pattern layer and the tile tool to create seamless repeats. Test both 1x1 and 2x2 repeats to check alignment. Then apply clipping masks on fabric layers so prints sit on seams correctly, and use layer effects to simulate weave, sheen, or embroidery. For realistic garments, use perspective rulers to draw folds and darts. Save layer comps for variants like colorways and print placements, so you can switch options instantly. To finish, prepare export files for production. Flatten necessary layers, include 3 to 5 mm bleed, embed the required color profile, and export as TIFF or print-ready PDF. Once exported, generate PNG mockups for online listings, and assemble a tech pack with measurements, stitch points, and swatch notes so manufacturers know intent. Finally, always test print a sample to validate colors and placement. If colors shift or edges crop, adjust color profile or add margin and re-export.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.